I can't get through your gate. My
know.
truck's too big. So
Wish I could bring it to you.
that's all right. So,
The damn thing don't run.
what did you said you had done some stuff though?
Yeah, I did some checking.
Uh-huh.
And this morning I noticed I ain't got no inside lights, so I'm thinking that I ain't got no battery. Because you ain't got no dome lights. Oh, pull that to you under the tape. Yeah, I taped it so it wouldn't hit my foot.
Yeah. Hey. Oh.
Oh, that's pretty loose.
Yep.
Maybe that's why.
Well, I got no power in it anyway. We got a jump box. That's all right. It's my exercise for the day. Okay, well, Ford Explorer Sport Track. I'm not sure of the year, but crank, no start. Or no crank, no start, no nothing, no power. Oh, you gotta watch what I say. Just had someone comment saying that my video was confusing because I said one thing twice, and that's not what it was. Well, yeah, shit happens. Like, geez Louise. Oh.
Busy?
Very much so. Yep, everything just came back to life. Ow. All right, so yeah, we got power, but no nothing. Oh, the theft light's going crazy. Do you have another key?
No.
No, that's the only key you got?
Yeah.
Yeah, the theft light's flashing really fast.
What does that mean?
Typically, if it's flashing like that, that means that the key is not being recognized.
Okay.
This doesn't work in the door? Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, I think it did.
Okay, we'll go get a scanner, because probably got a theft problem. Okay, let's see what we got here, folks.
Is there something wrong with this,
No.
the way it's loose?
No, it's fine. Come on, scanner.
I know it's got to be something simple, because it never gave me no problems. It's been a good truck. But I parked it behind the house, and I wanted to move it, and it wouldn't turn over. No fire.
Mm-hmm.
So I got my brother to come over here and pull it around, and we
Yeah,
put it here.
you have a security issue. Pat's anti-theft transceiver mod signal not received. So Pat's type coded. Pat's enable is disabled. PCM verified, no. Server mode, no. Okay. This fuse that's sitting here that's blown, where did that come from?
Probably out of here.
Do you know why it was taken out?
Because it was an extra?
Well, it's blown.
Oh.
See that? But you don't know where it came out of?
No, I don't.
Okay.
But
Well, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 spots that could be. What year is this thing again?
202?
02? All right. Give me a few minutes. I got to look some stuff up.
Okay.
Okay. Passive anti-theft. Let's just go see if there's any fuses missing out of this thing. It doesn't look like it. So fuse 2, fuse 1. Oh, that's, yeah. So behind left side of dash. Sorry, you're not even looking at the camera. So, looks like fuse 10 or fuse 19, depending on which fuse box it is. It looks like fuse 10 because I had a 15 amp sitting there. Let's take a fuse with us. Just in case. All right, so we're looking for fuse 10 or 19 to see if one's missing. Yeah, early production, late production on 1 and 2. So we're probably late production, but I don't know. That's just a guess. So let's go see if we're just missing a fuse in number 10 slot or number 19 slot. No. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 19. There's not even the right sizes are in these right now. Nope, fuses are good. I don't know where that 15 came from, and I'm not worrying about it right now. I'm trying to diagnose it.
Oh.
Where's the damn plug? Way back there. So this is our PATS, our transceiver right here. So I'm not sure why it said it was on the other side of the engine, because these can be replaced. Pretty basic. Okay. I gotta take this cover off as soon as I get the 8mm in my pocket. I'm glad I brought that. So this looks like this is our harness and our plug here, I think. But I don't know. The wiring, okay, black and white and red and green. So the two top ones should be our power and ground, it looks like. We're just gonna do a basic test light test on it real quick. See about getting a ground here. Where's my key go? Oh, the battery's dead. Fuck, I forgot. All right, we got ground. So if we're right, I had power. Okay, got power on my test light. All right, we have power going to the PATS itself. So this one should be ground. And it is. So we've got power and ground going to the PATS. And that's not a loaded style circuit, so I'm not really worried about that. I know this isn't like a perfect diagnosis, but based on the code and the issue at hand, she's either got a key that has died or this receiver's dead. So I'm gonna let her know she could try the receiver, but we're gonna have to, Jesus, probably do a relearn on that. And I don't know if I could do I don't know if I have to do a learn on that. Jesus. I have to go look at the data. So let's go look at the data real quick. If a key has to be relearned, there's nothing I can do. I don't relearn keys. So let's put this back together real quick and go check the information about that if I have to relearn the key. So problem here is this doesn't tell us let's see, maybe they're calling it the alarm. Yeah, it's in the, okay. So let's look at this, because this is where I think they're calling it. Instead of calling it a patch, they're calling it an alarm system transponder. I think that's what all data is calling it. Yep, take the covers off. Take that off. Okay, yeah, here's our transponder, and there's our plug. It doesn't look like it. It looks like I could just replace that without having to replace the key, which makes sense. I should have thought about that way before, and I didn't, because whatever, I just didn't. So what I'm saying is the pass lock has zero to do with the key. So, or not the pass lock, that's Chevy, PATS, P-A-T-S. That's the passive anti-theft system. So what I'm saying is that transponder just picks up the key and sends that information to the PCM, and the PCM has the key stored in it, I think. There's nothing else that tells me different here. So what I'm going to do, because I have power and ground going to it, is I'm going to let them know that they have two options. You can get a locksmith out here to check on the key to see if the key's okay, or we can put a PATS transponder in it and see what happens, because that's all I got to go on. So this is kind of a crap diagnosis, but more than likely we're probably right. So I'll let you know what they're going to do. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys later. Okay, well, we've got a pass lock sensor. It is used because they don't sell a new one. So let's find out what we got. Okay. Trying to get you guys a bit of an angle here. It's not working out so well. Okay, need to get a Torx for that. I don't know if I can unplug that without pulling this down. I sure would like to sneak it out of there. Might be able to in the backside. Okay, a bit. For the drill. Okay. Okay. Yep, that was easy to unplug. Okay, well, there's the old one. Let's get the new old one. Okay. All right, that's in. Let's go hook up the jump box. And let's see if this worked. Key. Basically want to watch this anti-theft light. Theft light looks good. It's off. And there we go. Vehicle runs. That's outstanding. So, just a pass lock sensor. Nothing really crazy. You saw it just power and ground going to it, and we had security. Couldn't see anything on data, I don't think, but I can't remember the other day. This is like a week later. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Something really basic, just a pass lock sensor. See you later.